And then Maulana Rumi says at this point, Narae mastana khushmi ayadam ta'abad jana chuni mi bayadam. He said, now this slogan of ishq, this slogan of madness has become love of my heart. I love this slogan of madness, this condition of madness. And I want to remain mad in love of my beloved till the day of judgment. Now you don't want to come back to senses. I don't want to go back towards the reasonings and logics and philosophies and sciences. Just I want to remain mad till the day of judgment. When this happened, so after a couple of months, there was a very huge cry and problem, and in the whole of Konya, his sons, his students, his colleagues, organizers of his college, his university, his Darul Uloom, the knowledge seekers, everybody got against Shams Tabriz. They thought that he has snatched our Shaykh from him and he has made him mad. So there was a jealousy against him. Because of this he left Konya. He left Konya, Shams Tabriz, went to Damascus or somewhere else. And now Maulana Rum got upset. Now he tastes the pain of detachment. He tastes the pains of isolation. He tastes the pains of remaining away and far from his beloved. And it is said, Azfarakat talkh shud ayyam ma dur shud az jaan ma aram ma. He said, oh my beloved, since you have left me, my whole life has become restless. Now there is a rest in this restlessness. Since you have left me, my whole life has become restless. And everything has been snatched from me. I can't sleep, I can't have rest, I can't smile, I can't laugh, I can't enjoy living in this world. So this was his condition. When his sons, his students, his colleagues, other scholars, the knowledge seekers, the true and faithful and loyal friends of Maulana Rum saw his condition, they thought it is necessary for his life to bring Shamsuddin Tabrizi back to Konya, so that he may again come to life at least. Then he came back, and the great scholar of the time, he became like a beggar in front of him. And he used to hold his things wherever he used to go. First of all, he went city to city, village to village to find him in his search. And Maulana Rum himself says, Ichuni Shaykh Gadae Kubaku Ishq Ahmad La Ubali Fattaku. the same great authority of Islamic world, like a beggar, crying, screaming, tears on his face, upset like mad people, along with hundreds of his students and lovers. He is going and finding his beloved in various streets to streets, from villages to villages, from towns to towns. And then Maulana Rum says, when ishq comes, love enters into your heart, love makes you a beggar. And then he says, he gives a lesson to the people, lesson. काल रा बेगुजार मर्दे हाल शो पेश मर्दे कामले पामाल शो. He says, you can't achieve anything with your speeches, through your speeches, through your durus, through your lecture, through your qal. You should come out of qal and enter into the valley of hal. Don't remain the man of speech, try to become the man of state. And this only happens when you sit in feet of some lover of Allah. If you sit in the feet, in the ashiq of some ashiq of Almighty Allah. And again he gives us a lesson. Maulvi hargiz na shud Maulai Room Ta gulame Shams Tabrezi na shud. He says, I was just a Maulavi, an alim, a scholar, a philosopher. I never became Maulai Room. I could never become Maulai Room unless I had not become the beggar and slave of Shams Tabriz. I became Maulai Room only when I became a slave of Shams Tabriz. Then he says, Shaykh Bashad Nirdbane Asman Tire Parra Az Keh Gardad Az Kaman. He says, you see the arrow, it goes very fast and enters into the prey and goes out of the prey. It goes very fast. But this very fast speed of the arrow is not its own speed. It is not its own speed. Although you see arrow going fast. You see the arrow going fast. But he says, this is not the speed of arrow itself on its own. This is the power, in fact, with which this arrow was sent. Kama, what do you say, the Kama? This is the power of bow, the strength of bow, and the strength of the person, the specialist who has used the bow, and that is behind the arrow which is giving the speed. He concerned how is the talib, the seeker, relationship of the seeker and his sheikh. And then he says, give another lesson. Khab ra beguzar imshab pidar yakshab